So exercise 6.4, seventh problem, see here. Prove that the area of the equilateral triangle described on one side of the square is equal to the half of the area of the equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonal. See here how beautiful the sentence is that most of the students will get confused with this. Prove that the area of an equilateral triangle described on one side of the square is equal to the half the area of the equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonals. So try to understand the question here. Whenever single sentence is given to you, if a single sentence is given to you, you should be ready to understand the question. Okay. So what is that here? You should be in a position to write, draw the diagram. Draw करके करना है. So equilateral triangle described as one of the square, one of the side of the square. So square should be taken into consider. So let us name the square as a B C D. This is the square. Okay. So here ABCD is the square. So in equilateral triangle, prove that the area of the equilateral triangle described on one of its side. एक side में ऊपर equilateral triangle. So this side, this all are equal. Okay. And it is this area is the half of the area of the equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonal. Two diagonals होता है ना? ये this is the one diagonal. On this diagonal equilateral triangle is described, means इसके ऊपर एक equilateral triangle. So this का side, इसका side, इसका side. So let us name this as a some E here and here F. You can name any letters, that doesn't matter here. Now what to prove here? Area of the triangle CDE is equal to half of the area of the triangle ACF. Isn't it? So that we need to mention here. Let ABCD is a square and CDE, triangle CDE is equilateral triangle described on one of sides of square. Okay. And triangle ACF is equilateral triangle described on one of diagonals of square. One of the diagonals of square. So now what to prove here? To prove area of triangle CDE is equals to half of the area of triangle ACF. Okay, this is required. Since the equilateral triangles are always similar, that point we have that these two triangles are similar triangles. So since equilateral triangles are similar, triangle ACF is similar to triangle CDE, or CDE is similar to 9. So area of triangle ACF by area of triangle CDE is equals to, you can write here AC by CD whole square. Can we write it?
Yes,
AC
sir.
by CD whole. And AC is what here? It is a diagonal. Diagonal is √2 times the side of the square. √2 times होगा ना? since by the Pythagoras theorem, you can keep it. If you want, you can write here ABCD is the square and AC is the diagonal. So ये लिखने के बाद, to prove लिखने के बाद, if you want here, you can write here AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Isn't it? AC square is equals to Pythagoras theorem use कर दिया मैं. तो पहले लिख रहा हूं मैं. तो AC square is equals to AB square. AB is equal to CD. Can I write as a CD? BC is equal to also CD. CD square लिख सकते हैं because we are using CD here. So this implies you can write AC square as a 2 times of CD square. इसको 1 लिख. So you write here AC square by CD square. So AC square you write as a 2 times of CD square by CD square. CD square will get cancelled. So how did you write here? You write here from 1. इधर से. ये समझ में आया? If you want to write by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. In the triangle ACF, sorry, in this triangle ABC triangle में Pythagoras theorem apply करते हैं. So what do you get here? AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, AC square equal to AB square का place में CD square लिख दिया, BC square का place में BCD square लिख दिया, because ABCD is the square. ABCD is the square. So all the sides are equal. So in the place of AB, I wrote CD. In the place of BC, I wrote CD. So AC square equal to 2 times of CD square. That 2 times of CD square here I am substituting 2 times of CD square. So you are going to get 2 by 1. So area of triangle ACF by area of triangle CDE is equals to 2 by 1. So from this you can say that area of triangle CDE is equals to half of the area of triangle AC. Can we write? If you are getting confused, you can take the CDE ऊपर ले लो, ACF नीचे ले लो. So then 1 by 2 you will get. So directly you can transform. Here whatever it may be, the same thing is. ये CDE को इधर ले लो, ये 2 by 1 को इधर लेके आओ, 1 by 2 हो जाएगा. 1 by 2 of the ACF is equals to. Or you can say that ACF area is 2 times the CDE area. Therefore, CDE is the half of the ACF. So we have proved that the area. That question. Did you understand the solution here?
Sir, I didn't understand the last part. Sir, because AC is equals to 2 CD. So, sir, after that, after we will just cut it CD and CD. So two whole square will be left. So 4 will be the 4 upon 1 will be the answer.
No. Here what I did here, AC I am writing as a AC square by CD square. AC square is 2 CD square by CD square. 2 into CD square, but 2 CD whole square nahi hai. See here, what is this one? 2 CD square. How do you get the 4 by 1? No. Ye 2 into CD square. 2 CD whole square is different. Here you are thinking that 2 CD whole square like this. Then you are, but here it is not that one. Na? CD square is 2 times is there. So 2 times of CD square, not 4 times of CD square.
Yes, sir.
So, अब समझ में आ गया ना?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Clear है ना? So this is the solution of the 7th problem. Now 8th and 9th problems are very simple here. Once you see the question here, so that immediately you can get the solution here. Nothing is there here. The question is given that A, B, C, D, E are the triangles. Objective type of the question it is given to you, but you need to see, although it is given objective type of the question, you need to little bit solve it. Otherwise, you are not going to get it. So what is the question given? ABC and BDE are the two equilateral triangles such that D is the midpoint of the BC. D is the midpoint of the BC. The ratio of the areas of the triangle ABC and BDE is the question. So first thing is that whenever you read the question, you should be in a position to draw the figure. Figure draw करने के लिए ready होना. So what is the question here? ABC and BDE are the two triangles such that D is the midpoint of BC. Equilateral triangle. So here, like this, A, B, C. And here it is given that D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint. And BDE is the another equilateral triangle. BDE. So like this you may have. This is BDE. So very simple here. Since the two equilateral triangles are always similar, okay, area of triangle ABC. You have to write it. Sorry, actually, ABC and yes.
Sir, cannot we take the point E on the side AB?
Yes, you can take. It is not mentioned. It is not mentioned that E is the point anywhere else here. So if you want even, but to avoid the confusion, I have drawn the figure like that. If you are very good, like that you need to take. So why don't we take the E point on the side AC? Yes, you can take. But if you take like that, you may get confused a little bit. That's why I have taken like this.
Sir, in the question it's given that.
It is
Sir,
given
in the
here.
question it's given that. Yes, sir, D is the midpoint on BC.
D is the midpoint of BC given beta. E is the point where the point E is there. It is not mentioned.
Okay, sir.
Yes, I have taken D is the midpoint. I'm not saying that D is the not midpoint. E point. We are discussing about the point E. This point E is whether it is in here or here. In no places when they go. Say not right, wrong here. Whenever you take like that. Okay. So now what do you get here? Triangle ABC and triangle BDE are equilateral triangles. They are both equilateral triangles. And D is midpoint of BC. That is nothing but BD is equals to DC. So area of triangle ABC is similar to, triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDE. BDE. ABC is similar to BDE. So ABC similar to BDE means area of the triangle ABC. What is the question asking to you to? Area of the triangle ABC, ratio of the area of the triangle ABC and BDA. So पहले ABC लेना है. So whenever the terminology ratio is used, be careful that is equals to. You can take any sides here, but I am taking here BC side here. BC by DE. BC by, actually what you get, BC by DE whole square we are going to get. So with this we are going to get BC square by DE square we are going to get. BC is the double of BD. BC is the double of BD. BD ko double. Otherwise, you can write BC as a 2 times of BD. You can write now 2 times of BD whole square by DE is equal to BD. BD. So what do you get here? Here you are going to get 4 BD square by BD square. You will get BD square will get cancelled. 4 by 1. The answer is 4:1. So be careful that here ratio whenever you are taking, that should be taken in a proper way. Okay? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So ninth question is very simple here. In the same way, the solution is you can sides of the two similar triangles are in the ratio 4:9. 4:9. The areas of these triangles are in the ratio. Just direct answer you can say. Can anyone say?
Sir, 16 is to 81.
Similar triangles, sides is given there. Sides are in the ratio 4:9. Then the ratio of their areas is equals to
16
is
ratio
to
81. 16 ratio 81.
yes, sir. Yes. 4 square by 9 square we are going to get. The 4 square by 9 square is nothing but 16 is to 9. Okay.